Assalamualaikum and hello all. Introducing Nasi Ayam Kunyit Kak Sayang, a beloved food truck in Sanwigiza, Petaling Jaya, where aromatic fried chicken and turmeric-infused dishes have won the hearts of regulars. Founded by Sheila Hassan, this humble spot has been serving affordable mouth-watering meals for 7 years with a simple vision: great food doesn't have to be expensive. From the signature nasi ayam kunyit to flavorful turmeric beef and crispy shrimp fritters, every dish is crafted with over 9 spices and fresh ingredients. Sheila's food truck is a go-to for busy professionals and mall goers, with diverse customers enjoying their affordable meal aligned with its tagline, Miskin Harga Kaya Cita Rasa, which translates into low-cost, luxurious taste. Despite the challenges, including unpredictable weather, Sheila's passion for community shines through, as she partners with local charities to offer free meals to those in need.
For assignment protocol, we had a team meeting and business selection on 13 January. On 18 January, we held online interview with the business owner. Then we proceed with analysis of interview output on 23rd, and on the next day, which is 24th January, we proceed with draft assignment report consultation with our lecturer. And on 27th, we had a presentation of our report.
Today, I will be explaining how to calculate and analyze costs for a restaurant. Specifically, we look at prime cost, overhead cost, profit and selling price. First, let's discuss prime cost. These include the direct materials, direct labor and direct expenses. First, we decided to choose Nasi Ayam Kunyit as one of the chosen menu. In Nasi Ayam Kunyit, direct materials they are using are rice, chicken and turmeric powder. Direct labor covers wages paid to kitchen staff, which is a chef. And next is direct expenses. They are using boxes as their packaging material. In Nasi Ayam Kunyit, the cost of direct material is 7,616 ringgit per month. Next is direct labor, cost is 480 ringgit per month. And lastly, in prime cost is direct expenses, which is boxes, 1,200 for 60,000 unit. The total amount for prime cost is 9,296 ringgit. Next is overhead cost. These are indirect expenses such as rent, utilities, equipment, maintenance and cleaning supplies. In Nasi Ayam Kunyit, they are using many items as their indirect material, which is 2,121 ringgit per month. Next, indirect labor. They are employed a staff which is cashier that paid for 480 ringgit per month. Lastly, for overhead cost is indirect expenses like utilities. They are using 95 ringgit per month. The total amount for overhead cost is 2,696 ringgit. The total amount for production cost is 11,992 ringgit per month in Nasi Ayam Kunyit Kak Sayang. Meanwhile, for total cost per unit is 2 ringgit. To calculate the selling price, we need to include the desired profit. The restaurant wants a profit of 70/30 on total cost of Nasi Ayam Kunyit. If the total cost is 2 ringgit per unit, the profit will be adding this to the total cost, giving us selling price of 6 ringgit per unit for all the dishes covered under this job cut. In monthly, the profit for Nasi Ayam Kunyit is about 7,981 ringgit and 33 cents. The selling price is 39,973 ringgit and 33 cents. Let's move to the next menu, which is cucuk udang. In cucuk udang, direct materials that they are using are flour and dried shrimp. Direct labor cover wages paid to kitchen staff, which is a chef. And next is direct expenses. They are using boxes as their packaging material. In cucuk udang, the cost of direct material is 127 ringgit per month. Next is direct labor, cost is 480 ringgit per month. And lastly, in prime cost is direct expenses, which is boxes 234 ringgit for 900 units. The amount for prime cost is 841 ringgit. Next is overhead costs. These are indirect expenses such as rent, utilities, equipment, maintenance and cleaning supplies. In cucuk udang, they are using many items as their indirect materials, which is 384 ringgit per month. Next, indirect labor, they are employed a staff which is cashier that paid for 480 ringgit per month. Lastly, for overhead cost is indirect expenses like utilities. They are using 95 ringgit per month. The total amount for overhead cost is 959 ringgit. The total amount for production cost is 1,800 ringgit per month in cucuk udang. Meanwhile, for total cost per unit is 2 ringgit. To calculate the selling price, we need to include the desired profit. The restaurant want a profit of 60/40 on total cost of cucuk udang. If the total cost is 2 ringgit per unit, the profit will be adding this to the total cost, giving us a selling price of 5 ringgit per unit for all dishes covered under this job cut. In monthly, the profit for cucuk udang is 2,700 ringgit and the selling price is 4,500 ringgit.
Interviewing the business owner for my assignment provided valuable insight into the operation of a food truck business. Understanding the balance between affordability and quality helped me see how pricing, cost management, and sustainability play key roles in a successful business. These reinforce concept of land in accounting, like profitability and budgeting.
This assignment broadens my understanding of accounting from a business perspective, showing how it can help start a firm with rapid growth potential. It also highlights key strategies for achieving profitability, long-term stability, and managing capital to avoid losses.
Through this project, I was given a chance to understand how to apply the knowledge I've learned into a real-world practice. This has changed my viewpoints on how to control a business and what we can do to adapt with any changes in the future.
One of the most challenging parts was the creation of accurate and complete records, enhancing my attention to detail with time management. I also developed problem-solving skills independently through research and learned to clearly communicate when preparing the final report. Overall, the project enhanced my understanding of accounting concepts and further development my analytical and organizational skills.
Nasi Ayam Kunyit Sayang, founded by Shil Hassan, has grown from a food truck in Sunway Giza to a beloved name for affordable and high-quality meals. Sheila's resilience and innovation, along with her focus on community and giving back, have built a loyal following. With growth potential through delivery platform and social media, the business is set for a continued success as a trusted culinary destination.